Hi everyone, Brenda Gustin here, and we've got a lot going on this week. We have microbial metabolism part 2 and exam number 2. And I put these things on here in the order I thought would make sense for you to do them. Now, in the syllabus, I said something about to do lab week 8 before the exam, and once I shuffled things around, I realized this is only partially true. The part of the lab that you might want to do is the oxygen requirements, because that actually is on exam number 2 and it would be a good review for you. The rest of the lab you can do after you take exam 2. But I would recommend doing the oxygen requirements part because, like I said, it's a good review. And the rest of that, anything else that aligns with lecture would be on exam 3. So we've got a bunch of virtual labs that you'll be doing this week. And again, I might just concentrate on the ones that have dealing with the oxygen. So go with that part of the lab before you do exam 2 and then do the rest after exam 2. So here's exam 2. It's Respondus. Again, we're doing the lockdown browser. Look at the details here. It's from weeks 5, 6, and 7. Lecture topics, I listed them there. Remember that we changed the syllabus a little bit, so double check. Make sure you're doing viruses and prions, microbial nutrition part 1 and 2, and metabolism part 1. 50 questions. There are some short answer questions. Tells you some details there. This is also, if you're using a different computer, you might want to go do that Respondus practice quiz again. And it's posted in the week 4 folder. You can do it as many times as you want. Good luck on your test. Study, study, study for that. Remember, I take the tests from the lecture study guides, from those objectives that are listed there. So make sure you study those. Lab quiz is on here, and I think I would take that after the exam. That once you do the entire lab handout, do the lab quiz, and then I have a lecture study guide. And so the lecture study guide is on metabolism, part 2. Now, there's a big change. I've been doing the lectures, these lecture videos, using your textbook and kind of talking through the parts in your textbook. I want you to know this topic is kind of complicated. It's got a lot of details to it. And I feel like in 25 years of teaching that I have perfected this lecture. And so I didn't want to go far away from the way that I normally do it. So what I did is I don't use the book. I use the information in the book, but I organized it in a different way. And so I highly recommend that you use these videos to let you work through your lecture study guide. I'm going to say that again. Even if you don't normally use the videos, I recommend for this topic that you use the videos. Okay? Please use the videos. It'll help make a lot of sense. When I did this topic in my live class this semester, I had 2 people that came by my office after class and said, "Thank you. I finally understand what all that is. We learned about it in A&P and I didn't understand it." So hopefully this will help. If it's challenging and you don't get it, please let me know. I put in this thing called metabolism mega matching in your lecture study guide. And it actually, if you can do that, you're on the right track. Okay. So good luck this week. Oh, there's your lecture assignment. There's a lot going on, but you can do it, and maybe you spread it out over break and your regular week, but good luck this week, and please let me know if you're having any trouble. I'd be glad to talk to you. Take care.